Hey guys, welcome back to the Royal review. Anyway, I'm going to do this unboxing of Blavor, which, if you guys don't know, is a power bank. Anyway, let's open it up. First of all, we have this cute little, welcome guide. And then it comes with little keychain type thing and the power cord, and then in this thing we have, ooh, this is cool, the power bank, and yes, it's solar powered, and this one has little orange things on it, which is super cool. Yeah, so if you're interested in buying one, go look it up and get yourself one. Anyway, you guys know what to do. Bye.